Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with 3 bars icon and the recents will be opened. If you've got the gestures, then swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got previously opened apps. And basically, in order to turn off, for example, one of those apps, just find it and swipe it to the right or to the left. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, just tap on this X button here. We just got back to the homepage so we can enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.